From this car accident lawyer video, know about top car accident attorney in New York. An accident lawyer help you in your case, and there are so many good lawyers for car accidents, but from this video you can know about top lawyers that handle car accidents in New York. So let's begin. Number 1. Hatch and Roside is a personal injury law firm based in New York with a team of attorneys that have more than 100 years of combined legal experience. The lawyers can offer legal advice and representation to clients in cases involving car accidents, construction accidents, work-related injuries, product liability, medical malpractice, and workers' rights. The firm also works with families of a deceased individual in seeking justice and compensation in wrongful death cases. Number 2. The Rothenberg Law Firm. With 5 offices in the country, the Rothenberg Law Firm LLP is a personal injury law firm that has been taking cases for the residents of New York City for over 50 years. The firm has experience representing the victims of car, motorcycle, and trucking accidents. Its attorneys investigate the cause of the accidents and mediate with insurance companies to recover fair restitution for their clients. Managing attorney Barbara Rothenberg is a member of the American Association for Justice. Number 3. Seaton and Kaufman. It is a highly skilled, effective, and results-driven law firm dedicated exclusively to the practice of personal injury law. Founded in 1988 by top-rated attorneys Stephen J. Seaton and Richard G. Kaufman, the firm has successfully represented thousands of clients across New York City's 5 boroughs: Brooklyn, Bronx, Manhattan, Queens, and Staten Island, and Long Island. The firm has recovered millions of dollars by verdicts, arbitration awards, and settlements in all types of accident cases, including those involving a motor vehicle, truck, motorcycle, pedestrian, bicycle, premises, slip, trip and fall, construction site. At number 4. Lemmo. This law firm represents New York City residents who got injured in a car, bicycle, bus, taxi, truck, or pedestrian accident. It also takes on premises liability, medical malpractice, and wrongful death cases. For over 37 years, Ed Lemmo has been handling personal injury claims and has obtained over $1 million in settlements and verdicts. His clientele includes immigrants and individuals from the working class. Lemmo is a member of the New York State Trial Lawyers Association. Number 5. The law offices of Darren T. Moore Peak. Based in New York City, the law offices of Darren T. Moore PC focuses on personal injury cases, including motor vehicle accidents. Darren T. Moore evaluates cases, gathers evidence and medical documents, and represents clients in all litigation. He educates car accident victims on the types of compensation they are entitled to, which may include medical costs, lost wages, and punitive damages in situations like drunk driving accidents. Founded in 2019, the firm caters to both English and Spanish-speaking clients. Number 6. Redmond Law. It is a personal injury law firm that helps car accident and other personal injury victims in New York achieve maximum financial compensation for their injuries. Partner Cornelius Redmond has over 2 decades of experience as a trial lawyer and focuses on personal injury, medical malpractice, and product liability cases. The firm offers free consultations and charges car accident victims only on obtaining a favorable verdict. Redmond Law also handles corporate, commercial, employment, and real estate law cases.